Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Metatrader 5 no connection. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. Next, restart Metatrader 5 by closing and reopening the platform. Then verify that you're connecting to the correct broker server. After that, try reconnecting by clicking File, selecting Login to Trade Account and re-entering your credentials. If the issue persists, check your firewall or antivirus settings and allow Metatrader 5 through security settings. You can also try switching to a different network, such as another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Make sure your Metatrader 5 is updated to the latest version. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact your broker to check for any server problems. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.